This is a used 2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, split rear seats, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Carlsbad Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2802 West Pierce Street, Carlsbad, New Mexico, 88220.